Exploring BetMGM's Easy Parlay tool for quick bets. Now, BetMGM's Easy Parlay tool is a feature designed to simplify and enhance the experience of creating parlays, making it accessible and appealing even to those new to sports betting. Now, basically the key features of it are simplified navigation, real-time odds updates, customizable parlays, quick bet slips, and mobile-friendly design as well. To use the Easy Parlay tool, just go ahead and then log into your BetMGM account via the app or the website. Now select the option called Easy Parlay as you can see at the top of the menu right here. After that, you have to simply choose your sport or event. You can browse through the available sports and events to find the games you want to bet on. So let me just choose a game right over here, right? So you can just see the couple of bets. Now you can add your selections. You can tap on the desired odds for money, and then after that, money line, spreads, and totals of props. Each selection will appear in your parlay bet slip. On the right hand side, you can see the bet slip. Now you can review and adjust. You can check the potential payout and modify your selections as needed. And you can also stake a certain amount that you wish right there. And after you've done that, basically, you'll be able to go ahead and then click on the bet option to use the easy parlay tool. Now, some of the tips for using parlay tool is to stay informed, balance the risk and reward, bankroll management, and leverage the promotions. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.